Hello and welcome to this GDSLAB tutorial video 5.3.12 running an advanced HCA stress pass test. An advanced HCA simulates various stress conditions on a cylindrical sample to observe its behaviour. This test type allows for precise control over the applied stresses, providing insights into how materials respond under different stress paths. So, to start off, you should be in your test setup, and then once you've gone into it, you need to make sure you select stress paths from the test module list. And once you get here, you should see something like this. And you have two types of tests that you can run. You have a HCA stress path and a HCA strain path. Obviously, this is a stress path video, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that HCA stress path is selected. Then you have all of these values here. So on P, it's got mean stress, which is the average pressure applied uniformly in all directions. Then you have Q, which is a deviatoric stress, representing the difference between the vertical and horizontal stress. Then you've got B, which is the radial stress, which is the stress applied in the radial direction on the cylindrical sample. Then you've got alpha, which is a torsional shear stress, representing twisting forces applied to the sample. And then you've got an optional value here of drain/constant back pressure. You also have your time to reach target selector here, which is measured in minutes, so I've put 10 minutes here. And then you also have something special, which is a stress calculator. And you can use this to work out exactly what calculations you need. So for example, if I put 200 in P and I press calculate, it will then work out some values. And then if I go out and fill the rest, Q to 300, B to 0, and alpha to 10, press calculate again, then it'll give you some more realistic values, which I can then go ahead and put in if I need to. So once you've put in the values that you need, you can then go ahead and select your test termination conditions. Now, I won't be putting any of these in, but they're probably self-explanatory to you. You can use termination conditions so the test stops when it reaches a certain axial load. You could do just a timer, so 1 minute, for example, or 100 minutes, whatever value you want, you can put that in. For any of these, you've also got options for more as well here. And any of these you select, you can then make sure that these do it, so then you when it's then ended, you can then select wait for user interaction or go to next stage automatically. So once you've done these, you've selected everything, you can go ahead and click apply, and then you can go ahead and start the test. So once you're here, you need to make sure that your graphs are showing the correct information, but once you've done that, you can go ahead and press start test at the top right here. Okay, and that is showing the values that we would expect. Okay, that is the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. This has been running an advanced HCA stress path test. Thank you.